In this video, I'm going to demonstrate twisted stitches. They're a little bit like cables, but you don't need a cable needle, and after you get the hang of them, they're pretty simple to work. They create these beautiful angled lines that you see here. I'll first demonstrate a right twist, and that's a twist that leans towards the right, and then also a left twist, and that's a twist that leans towards the left. The instructions for a right twist are as follows. Knit 2 together, leaving stitches on the left-hand needle, then knit through the first stitch only and slide both stitches off the left-hand needle. So you will knit 2 together like you normally would, but don't slide the stitches off the needle. Then knit through the first stitch only and slide both stitches off the needle. And now you've crossed the top stitch here towards the right. Let's do that one more time. Knit 2 together. Here we go. Knit 2 together. Don't slide those stitches off the needle. Then slide your needle through the first stitch only and knit it and slide both stitches off. A right twist kind of starts off like a knit 2 together. So similarly, you can think about a left twist sort of like an SSK. Let's go through the instructions for a left twist. Slip 1 knitwise, slip 1 knitwise, slip these 2 stitches back onto the left-hand needle without changing new stitch leg orientation. Place your needle behind the first stitch on the needle and knit through the back loop of the second stitch, leaving it on the needle. Then knit through the back loop of both stitches and slide both stitches off the left-hand needle. So we will slip 1 stitch knitwise, slip the next stitch knitwise, slide both stitches back onto the left-hand needle, and then we're going to take our needle and move it behind the first stitch so we can go through the back loop of the second stitch, and then leaving all of that on the needle still, and placing our needle through the back loop of both stitches, pulling our yarn through, and then sliding the stitches off the needle. We have a lovely twist that leans towards the left. And we'll do that one more time here. So we will slip 1 stitch knitwise, slip the next stitch knitwise, slide both stitches back onto the left-hand needle, take our right needle, moving it behind the first stitch and through the back loop of the second stitch, pulling that yarn through, and then we will knit through the back loop of both stitches and slide the stitches off the needles. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to make twisted stitches. I hope you find this helpful for your next twisted stitch project. You can find me on Ravelry and Instagram as Carrie Knits, and I've linked those below along with my website at carrieknits.com.